Next day, day after Christmas, we're doing cleanup. I also have so we are replacing the power steering pressure sensor right here. It is down here. I don't feel like heating the whole system up, but it's been dripping right from here down to there. Just like that, no more air bubbles. All right, so we loosened it. All right, so we got our replacement, nice and new and pretty. Now unscrew this one. Same method we used to take it off. All right, and we're done. All right, today's the day. Taking the van out to go have a fire pit and camp. The furthest I've driven this bus is 10 miles, and this trip is gonna be like 70 miles. So I'm gonna take y'all along the way, and hopefully we don't have any breakdowns. The unknown things that are gonna happen here, and I see that I'm losing some trim on the outside over there. That's fun, always something new. All right, mostly loaded up here. iPad and stuff, got some coffee for tomorrow, clothes, and some other stuff I have to take up there. Solar panel for charging, all the bedding's still back there. Got more propane just in case. It's like 55, 60 today, so I really don't think there's gonna be no propane needed. All right, so we're gonna load up these two four-wheelers over here. All right, first leg of the trip is 10 minutes down the road, the normal trip for the bus. All right, 49 miles away, back mountain roads, paved. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully no tow truck is needed. Headlights on for visibility. All right, just checking in. We're about half hour into the trip. Definitely running hot. The gauge tends to waver either right at the flashing red light or right above the red light. Otherwise, it's riding real smooth. I'm going about 55, 60, and there's no wavering or any kind of issue there. All right, we are in town right now, about to get to my buddy's property. We made it. There were no breakdowns. It ran hot most of the way. A couple of the hills were kind of sketchy though. Going up the hill, I saw the temperature gauge rising, and then I remembered, oh, what if I blast the heat? That usually will cut a little bit of it out, and definitely worked. I don't think the radiator fans are working. I haven't heard them kick on and off, so there's my first clue. Overall, better. Am I confident in it? No. All right, this is the camp spot for the night. Got the fire pit there overlooking a creek that wraps completely around and then goes out in that direction. So nothing really has changed in here. I got power running out to the house. I got solar sitting on the windshield. Carly, I chose a 2002 edition of Woman's World. Don't burn it? Oh. I like my leveling technique here. A rock and a stick.
All these aluminum tables.
That I got off of Amazon.
It looks like similar.
So here we are in the van, getting the propane heater going just to warm it up. It says it's about 40 degrees outside. I really don't believe it. It feels 30.
A little coffee ready. This was the morning view. So this, I can't believe I slept with the window open all last night. I mean, it was only like 30. It was 42 degrees, so I didn't even notice it. But that was wide open all night.
Alright, so we are 17 minutes from getting home. Drive was pretty good. It's been running hot the entire way, but never overheating. So I need to look at the fan. I think I mentioned that before, but here we go.